Guys, so today we are going to just kind of do a big review on all of the learning that we've done throughout the year about multiplication and division. And we're going to do that by reading a text called Breakfast at Danny's Diner. Our learning objective for the day is I can solve problems present in Breakfast at Danny's Diner using multiplication and division. Those are the signs, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first thing I'm going to ask is, what is a dozen? What do you guys think that would be?
Sometimes my mom goes to the store and buys like a dozen eggs.
A dozen eggs. Okay. Have you heard the word before?
Yes, I have.
So you guys don't know exactly what it means, what it stands for? Okay, so while we're reading today, we are going to look for what a dozen is in the text. Okay. So some other directions that we're going to give about reading is we're going to kind of go through this, and when we come across a blanked out section of the text that you see here, we're going to stop and find the math equation that is embedded in the text. And then we're going to go through and work on that problem together as a class. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to read this, we are going to read, kind of do a popcorn read. So I will tell you when you guys are going to start, but I will start first. Okay? All right, here we go. It's going to be someday, Teresa said, and here comes the first customers. 6 people walked into the diner. 2 sat at a table. The other 4 took a booth. Good morning, Danny called out to them. All right, Cassidy, will you take over?
Teresa rushed over to take their orders. Open up the cartons of eggs, Angelo told Tina. Tony, you're in charge of making toast.
All right, Mackenzie.
Teresa came up to the open window between the kitchen and the dining room. She put on 2 orders. Angelo gave them a quick look. 6 Danny's specials, he called out. 2 with sausage, 4 with bacon, 4 with white toast, and 2 with whole wheat.
All right, I'm going to take over. It says, Tina stared at the egg cartons. There were 6 orders. Each order needed 3 eggs. She remembered her multiplication tables. Okay, so in that paragraph that I just read to you, can you identify the numbers that we're going to be working with?
Well, 6,
Okay, you can write that down.
because there's 6 orders,
6 orders. Okay, how about we put that down? 6 orders.
and it says each order needs 3 eggs.
Okay, so 3 eggs. So in this situation, do you think that Teresa is going to use multiplication or division? You can look back in the text to kind of find clues as to what it might be.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. And why do you think that is?
Well, it says that she remembered her multiplication table from my numbers.
Oh, that is a very good clue. Okay, so we're going to put the multiplication sign right here. And which one of those is that? Can you help me out?
The X.
The X, okay. And then, can you guys figure out what the answer to this equation is?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and what is it, do you think?
6 times 2 is 12, so 12, 13, 14. 18.
Oh my gosh, Mackenzie, you are so good. So what does this say? That we need 18 what?
Orders.
To complete 6. Okay, so we have 6 orders, and we need 3 eggs to complete each order.
Oh, eggs.
Eggs, yes. So that
18
means
eggs.
that we need 18 eggs.
But the 3 should have eggs each order.
You're absolutely right. And that was in the text. So good job, Mackenzie. All right. Eggs for each, eggs for each order. Okay. So now we're going to move on. Good job, you guys. That was very good. All right. I'm going to start reading again. Oh, look, it's right there, huh? Okay. 4 sausages times 4 specials would be, Tina began, blank, Tony yelled. All right, so what numbers are present in the text here?
4 and 4.
4
And it says times. What does that mean?
Times. Okay, well, times, when we say multiplication equations out loud, kind of like we did last week, when we get to this, we say times. I don't really know why that is, but that's what we say. So we say 6 times 3 equals 18. So, okay.
So it's kind of like another word for multiply?
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So we have 4. What's the unit of measurement for this one?
Sausage.
Sausages. Okay. That's a lot of sausages for one order of breakfast, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you think the unit, which is what we label the number as, would be for this number?
Specials.
Specials?
Special. Okay, so what do you think this is saying? Or do you think that it's saying something similar to how many eggs per order there would be? In terms of how many sausages per order it would be?
4
Probably
sausages
like
each order.
sausages for the order.
Okay, so sausages per order. This means per, I think. Okay, so we have 4 sausages per order and 4 specials. 4 sausages per special. Uses. And 4 specials. How many specials do you think, or how many sausages is that?
1 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is
16?
12, 16.
Good mental math, you guys. Okay, so that is the equation that represents 4 sausages times 4 specials.
They're gonna have to go to the grocery store.
Agreed. Well, where are they? They're at the diner, right?
Yeah, but they don't grow the sausages there.
That's true. Okay. Mackenzie, will you take over after yelled?
Just then, the back door of the diner opened. A man walked in carrying 2 big bags. Hey, Carlos, good to see you, Danny said. 2 dozen bagels, 2 dozen donuts. Carlos said as he set the bags on the table, and 2 extra of each. Have a good day.
Okay, Cassidy, will you take it from there until the blank?
Mm-hmm. Tina started to figure out how many bagels and donuts there were.
Okay.
A dozen is 12, she said.
A dozen is what?
12.
12. So what is a dozen? A dozen is 12. Okay. All right, we're gonna write that down. A dozen equals 12. Oh, I was almost thinking. Okay. So this one's a little bit trickier, you guys. So I would like it if you came up and worked through the problem. You each are gonna work to solve this problem. And we're gonna see how you both do it. How does that sound?
Okay.
Okay, so please do choose a color and come up to the board. Uh-oh, you're gonna run into each other. It is kind of tricky, huh? Let me know if you need any help. You guys are doing so well. This is a tricky problem. But mistakes are good. They help us learn.
There.
Okay. All right. So first of all, I would just like to tell you guys that you did so good working through this problem. And look how different your guys' minds were. Your guys' brains work totally differently. So that's really cool. So first of all, let's talk about this right here. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. What is a multiplication equation that can be made out of those 4 numbers?
2 times 12.
2
3 times 12.
4 times 12, actually.
Yeah, that's right, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4
out of the whole
groups of
okay.
12. You're doing very good, okay. So 4 times 12. Okay. And you said that that is 48 total, and that is so good. You did really good. And then down here, what did you do?
Well, it says that there's 2 extras for each, so I know that he brought bagels and donuts. So I said 2 extra bagels plus 2 extra donuts equals 4
Bread things.
bread things, breadery.
Yes, breadery. Excellent. Okay. And so, Mackenzie, you didn't have that part.
No, I didn't read on.
And
I
that,
forgot that part.
okay, and that's totally okay. So how can we add on to your section?
So, 24 times 2.
Times 2?
Correct? Plus 4.
24 times 2? So if we did, 24 times 2. You're absolutely right. Okay, yes.
Gotcha.
We all make
All right,
mistakes.
yes, all right. 24 times 2 equals 48. You're totally right.
Yeah.
I was just in my
I
head.
added them together. And then I have to add the extras.
Okay, so you
2
have
bagels and
2
2 donuts
plus 2
is 4.
is 4.
52.
52.
Silly me.
Right,
52
okay, we'll
breads.
do that together. So that's 8 plus 4 is
2.
Is-
Well.
and we have
1.
1, and we have 52 total. Okay.
Right.
Wonderful. All right. So we both got to the answer. We just had to do a little extra work, and that is totally okay. No mistake can go unmistaked. So the learning objective today was I can solve problems present in Breakfast at Danny's Diner using multiplication and division. You think we achieved that today?
Yes.
Cool. Okay.